a jolt and then you'll die.
Hello everyone. Today I'll be doing the unboxing of Omron blood pressure monitor. So I have added few of the information here just to avoid any misuse of my personal information. So I purchased this box from Amazon. So without wasting any time, let me quickly unwrap it. So I'm trying to cut this tape and get the box out. So the model number which I have ordered is HEM7130L. There is another model as well, uh, which is similar to the one which I have ordered. So here is the first look. Yeah, so it looks good to me. Let me keep that box aside and take a closer look at the features which was written on the box. So the model number is HEM7130. Here L stands for large, I believe. So the suitable range for this model is 22 to 42 centimeters. So when I say the range, it is the circumference of the arm. So for a person who has arm circumference within 22 to 42 centimeter is exactly suitable for. Let me read out the features which was written on the box here. So the first one among the features is cuff wrapping guideline. So this cuff wrapping guideline will be cloned when you have wrapped the cuff correctly. So it will help us to get the exact accurate result and to avoid any errors. Erroneous readings are pretty common in digital monitors. So to avoid them, we have quite a few features here. So cuff wrapping guide is one, and the body motion detection. When you move your body during the measurement, then this particular icon will be populated on your display, which will tell you you have moved, and because of that the results may be varied. And here you can see that readings of the your blood pressure will be displayed. I mean, what it want to say is the level indicator will also be there, which will tell us whether the reading is high or low. Then you have the 60 memories with date and time, so it can store up to 60 your last 60 readings. Then you have average of last 3 readings. You can average the last 3 readings and get an accurate, the most accurate blood pressure. The next thing which was mentioned on the box is IntelliSense. So it is a type of sensor technology which was used to build this blood pressure monitor. So this is the latest technology. Here we also have irregular heart detection sensor, which will tell you if you have an irregular heartbeat. Let me see the other side of the box. So the package contents are written here. So the main unit, wide range soft cuff, storage case, instruction manual, and the 4 AA size batteries. So these are the contents which we are going to find in this box. And I have quite few things written over here, and it's also written made in Vietnam. Then we have few features written elaboratively in other side of the box. Then we have the specifications of the BP monitor. Let's see what's there inside the box. So here the first item which I see here is a warranty card, I believe. Yeah. Then yeah, it's written that we can use an app to save our readings. Okay, let's keep it aside and see the other contents of the box. There's a bubble wrap. Then this is a cuff which will be used which will be wrapped around the arm. Okay, and it's pretty soft as mentioned on the box compared to the other one which I've used earlier. And there are quite a few things written over here, and it's clearly mentioned it's 22 to 42 centimeter cuff. Now here is the main unit, the main blood pressure monitor unit. So it's wrapped up nicely, and I feel it's a pretty compact device, and it is a pretty compared to the other one which I've seen earlier, it is quite heavier than that, but it's compact in size. I mean, you can carry it anywhere. Let me remove that wrap and see. Okay, yeah. The feel is nice. So the material used for building this monitor looks good to me, because the feeling which I'm getting by holding this is very rigid. And here you can insert the batteries. Yeah, I'm trying to find out the batteries. I think it will be there in this cuff. So let me open this up a little bit so that we can get access to those batteries and remove them out. Yeah, if you see here, we got 4 AA size batteries. Let me see the company of the batteries. It is a Duracell batteries of AA size. Now to summarize it, we have a main unit, a wide range soft cuff, 4 AA batteries, and a storage case. I think the storage case looks pretty cheap to me compared to the other one which I have. So this looks cheap. This is a warranty card, and here you have a user guide. Please go through it. That's it for the day, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you do, then don't forget to hit the like button. Also, if you have any comments, please do comment on this video. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. This is my first video, so I need your support. Subscribe to Technoballs.